Hello guys, this is Carlos Isulita and patungo po ako ngayon guys sa bukid ng Kidalos sa Sitio Slide na doon po ako naka-assign as school head. Isa po itong paralan ng mga Subanin, mga indigenous peoples, and this school was established in year 2020, pero it was operated on 2018, but the school have completed the papers year 2020, and anim po kami doon at ako yung school head at may lima pa pong teachers, 2 lalaki at 3 babae, at nag-offer po kami ng kinder at saka grade 6 po. And guys, alam nyo, everyday po naglalakad po kami patungo sa slide dahil wala pong masakyan at yung dadaanan namin ay ito. Yung dadaanan po namin yan pong dadaanan namin po, mga lasang forest, at dadaan po kami sa ilog. At yun nga guys, sige, babay na kasi hangak. Thank you.